Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of October 2024, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.99. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.75%. This equates to an average return of 0.20% per day since being designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the upper section of a narrow and weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. If the price breaks above the upper trend line at $538.77, it will initially signal a stronger upward movement. Analyzing the present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 9.15% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 4.65% to 9.68%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it predicts a change of about 30.73% over the next 12 months, with a prospective return between 22.37% and 31.27%. This prediction corresponds to a price range between $656.11 and $703.82 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for VOO. On the last trading day, Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, the price of the VOO ETF decreased by approximately 0.00658%, moving from $536.53 down to $536.18. Throughout the trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.712%, reaching a low of $533.47 and a high of $537.27. Notably, the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 1.77% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume also decreased along with the ETF price, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should align with price movements. Specifically, trading volume fell by 368,000 shares, with a total of 3 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.59 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $538.76, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price stands at 0.48%, or $2.58, below the 52-week high of $538.76, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments regarding the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, or VOO, indicate a mix of cautious optimism and underlying concerns among analysts. On the 22nd of October, market expert Warren Pies controversially projected that the S&P 500 could reach 7,000, even as many experts warn that the market appears overvalued. This divergence in outlook highlights a critical tension for investors assessing VOO's future potential. Adding to the uncertainties, Goldman Sachs forecasts declining equity returns from the S&P 500 over the next decade, projecting a significant drop to just 3% annually, down from the 13% average seen in the past 10 years. Although the firm reassures that this forecast isn't as bearish as it might seem, it could temper enthusiasm around broad market investments like VOO in the short term. In recent trading, the S&P 500 closed narrowly lower, reflecting broader concern as rising Treasury yields and Federal Reserve uncertainty weigh on market sentiment. Despite strong earnings from key companies like General Motors and 3M, futures for VOO suggest a negative start, with expectations of more declines from record highs this past Friday. Investors are also eyeing divergent trends, with some ETFs beginning to outperform the S&P 500, especially those focused on emerging technologies like artificial intelligence. This trend may pressure VOO's market position if it fails to demonstrate competitive performance. Investors should remain vigilant as these dynamics unfold, impacting VOO's stock price in both the short and long term. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support at $535.78 and $522.81. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, October 18, 2024, and so far, the stock has declined by 0.22%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average has a buy signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average reveals a buy signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 46 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we find the short moving average issued a buy signal 31 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 228 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $522.74. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. During the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $3.80 between its high and low, which represents 0.712%. Over the last week, the ETF experienced a daily average volatility of 0.650%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $536.53. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $522.74. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a bounce back. Our recommended stop loss is set at $516.24, reflecting a decrease of 3.72%. This exchange-traded fund experiences minimal daily fluctuations, resulting in a very low level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, we expect VOO to open down $0.5038, starting at $535.64. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.